Hi, RabbitLoader community. Let's talk cache purging, a crucial step when you've made major changes to your website. Here's the lowdown. Think of cache purging like a reset button. Your website's content is cached at various CDN locations worldwide to boost load times and global availability. When you hit the purge button, everything is removed from every CDN location, and optimized copies of HTML pages are cleared. But be aware that, until everything is re-optimized and cached, there may be a brief delay in page loading following purging. RabbitLoader takes the lead in automatic purging. Whenever you publish a new post, change your website theme, tweak plugins, or update WooCommerce product details, RabbitLoader detects the changes and automatically purges the modified pages. No extra steps needed. Still, for those rare cases where you want to target a specific article or page, you can do it from the page preview. Hover your mouse over the top admin bar, spot the RabbitLoader option, and reveal the purge option. Precision purging at your fingertips. Cache purging made easy. Maintain a top-notch website in RabbitLoader style. Happy optimizing!